two processes, right? Two processes are there, or two procedures are there in transient heat conduction uh, problems. The very first part is we are trying to solve the problems in which the Biot number is less than 0.1. This is the first condition. So accordingly, we are solving the problems. In second case, there is one more part in transient heat conduction problem. That is if the Biot number is greater than 0.1. So दो procedure है यहाँ पे. The very first procedure is if the Biot number is less than 0.1, it is having its own procedure, what we have discussed in our previous class. And there is another method to solve the problems on transient heat conduction, that is if the Biot number is greater than 0.1. Okay, so first we'll go through this the very first part only. पहले पार्ट के और एक दो तीन प्रॉब्लम हम लोग सॉल्व करने का कोशिश करेंगे. उसके बाद में क्या है, we'll shift to the second part of a transient heat conduction problem, that is if Biot number is greater than 0.1. तो एक we'll go with one problem that is related to Biot number greater than, sorry, Biot number less than 0.1. So whether this is you can visible, it is visible, no screen problems.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
we'll go with this problem. So it is very simple problem. It is similar to that what you have discussed in our previous problem. Okay. So even I am posting some videos in your group. Problems के कुछ videos हैं, देखो वो भी थोड़ा देख लो. See, this unit is very easy compared to your all the modules of your heat transfer. Transient heat conduction is very easy unit. बहुत आसान है. So the problem statement is something like this. An average convective heat transfer for flow of 90 degrees Celsius air over a flat plate is measured by observing the temperature time history of 40 mm thick copper slab having rho is equal to, density is equal to 9000 kg per cubic meter, specific heat is equal to 0.38 kilojoules per kg degree Celsius, and thermal conductivity K is equal to 370 watt per meter degree Celsius. Exposed to air, right? Exposed to air. In one test run, the initial temperature of the plate was 200 degrees Celsius, and after 4.5 minutes, the temperature decreased by 35 degrees Celsius. Right. Find the heat transfer coefficient for this case. Neglect internal resistance. Neglect internal resistance. So this is the problem statement. So here a test has been carried out on one material, right? So the it is a plate. It is a plate. So how the test is been carried out? So test is carried out such that the initial temperature of the plate is 200 degrees Celsius. Okay. So first initially the plate is heated up to 200 degrees Celsius, and then it is suddenly taken out and it is kept in certain medium, that is especially it is air. It is exposed to air, as you can see, it is exposed to air. So that plate is kept or exposed to air, or it is been kept in a medium, right, in an atmospheric medium, right, where it is surrounded by air. Okay. So after 4.5 minutes, right, after 4.5 minutes, the temperature decreased by 35 degrees Celsius. So initial temperature it was 200 degrees Celsius, but after 4.5 minutes, so after 4.5 minutes, the temperature is decreased by 35 degrees Celsius. Means, so the temperature what we are attaining after 4.5 minutes is 200 minus 35. So we'll get 165 degrees Celsius, as you can see here. So this is the time. This is the time that is related to the temperature. That is the 200 minus 35. 200 minus 35. That is 165 degrees Celsius. Means what it is been trying to say in the problem statement is, so initial temperature of the plate was 200 degrees Celsius. After 4.5 minutes, the temperature of the plate is 165 degrees Celsius, because the temperature has been decreased by 35 degrees Celsius. Okay. Along with that, the temperature of air is given. temperature of the air. A temperature of air is 90 degrees Celsius, right? So the temperature of the air is flowing on the surface of the plate is 90 degrees Celsius. Okay, and its thickness is given, that is 40 is the thickness of that copper slab. 40 is the thickness of the copper slab. Along with that, some other properties are also given, such as density is given, that is 9000 kg per cubic meter. Then specific heat is given 0.38 kilojoules per kg degree Celsius, and thermal conductivity K is equal to 370 watt per meter degree Celsius. So these are the some uh, values or property values that have given, that are given. Okay, we'll try to solve this problem. Okay, so here in T infinity is the temperature of the surrounding or the temperature of the medium into which that plate is placed. So here the surrounding is air and the air temperature is 90 degree. It is mentioned in the problem, right? Along with that, the thickness of the plate is given. Thickness of the plate is, we are writing thickness of the plate as 40 It has to be converted into meters, that is 0.04 meters. Then density is given 9000 kg per cubic meter. Specific heat is given, so the unit for specific heat is kilojoules per kg degree Celsius, so it has to be converted into joules per kg degree Celsius. So make sure this. So always while solving problems on transient heat conduction, specific heat unit should be joules per kg degree Celsius or joules per kg degree Kelvin. Okay. So initial temperature of the plate is given, that is 200 degrees Celsius, and after 4.5 minutes, the temperature is decreased by 35 degrees Celsius. As you can see here, after 4.5 minutes, the temperature is decreased. So after this time, after 4.5 minutes of time, the temperature is decreased by 35 minutes. Means after 4.5 minutes, the value of T will be 165 degrees Celsius. Initial temperature was 90 degree, right? After that, temperature of the air is 90 degree. Initial temperature is 200 degree, and after 4.5 seconds, the temperature of the plate is 165 degree. Okay, so here in this problem, find heat transfer coefficient, right? Find heat transfer coefficient. Heat transfer coefficient is nothing but H. H is the heat transfer coefficient. And at same time, it is clearly mentioned, neglect internal resistance. So if this statement is there, then no need to calculate for Biot number. Biot number find out karne ka zarurat nahi hai, because they are in the problem itself, they have mentioned neglect internal resistance. If internal resistance अगर होता वहाँ पे available है तो भी हम उसको just you side out that, because in the problem statement it is mentioned neglect internal resistance. So for this case, no need to calculate Biot number, right? So as we have in our previous two problems, we have calculated the Biot number, and we have checked whether the value of Biot number is less than 0.1 or not. That value we have checked in our previous problems. Okay, but whereas it is here in this problem, it is clearly mentioned that the Biot number is not calculated, because no need to calculate for Biot number, because internal resistance is you can neglect, it is mentioned over there. Okay, so this is the expression. This expression again you will get it from your data handbook, page number 58, right? Page number 58 पे data handbook है. Data handbook में equation है transient heat conduction. So this is the expression for temperature distribution inside that plate, right? So Ti is the initial temperature. Ti is the initial temperature of the plate. T infinity is the temperature of the fluid into which it is been placed, right? And T is the temperature at that time instant. So in this problem, after 4.5 minutes, this temperature value is given, that is 165 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you should be little bit clear in these three T's. Only T is there, So this T, this capital T and this small t both are interlinked. These are interconnected. So this is the temperature at that time instant. Okay, Ti is the initial temperature of the plate, and T infinity is the surrounding temperature into which it is placed or it is immersed. Okay. Along with that, here in this problem we need to calculate this value of H here. Okay. So I try to write this in terms of, so here I will go with this part. Just you observe here, HATD by rho VC. So I am replacing this A by V. As I told you yesterday also, I am replacing this A by V is equal to 1 by LC. It is 1 by LC. Because for flat plate, characteristic length is given by L by 2. L by 2 is the characteristic length, as you can see here. For flat plate, characteristic length is given by L by 2. L by 2. So here the thickness of the plate is given, that is 0.004 divided by 2. You will get characteristic length is equal to 0.02. Okay, meters. So here I am going to replace this, as you can see here. This HA by rho VC, this part I am just simplifying this. So I am going to take this A at the denominator part. So it will become V by A. So this V by A is nothing but characteristic length. So characteristic length is the ratio of volume of the solid to the surface area of the solid, right? So that is nothing but the characteristic length. If you simplify that again further, as we have discussed in our previous class, so for flat plate, characteristic length is equal to L by 2, and for cylinder it is R by 2, and for sphere it is R by 3. For sphere it is R by 3. Okay. Okay, now, so I'm going to replace this. As you can see, now it has been modified. So this equation HAT by rho VC, this equation is modified here. So it will become HT divided by rho LC into C. So LC is nothing but the characteristic length, right? LC is nothing but the characteristic length. Okay. So this value I have just now I have calculated. LC is equal to L by 2 for flat plate. It will be 0.002 meters. Okay. Now substitute these values here. Substitute these values. So you will get, so T is the temperature at that time instant, that is 165 degrees Celsius minus 90 degrees Celsius. 90 degrees Celsius is the temperature of the fluid or air, and 200 degrees Celsius is the initial temperature of the plate minus again T infinity, that is 90 degrees Celsius, is equal to exp of, that is e raised to, it is e raised to minus h into T. So see here, the value of T should be in seconds. So for 4.5 minutes, so 4.5 for 1 minute 60 seconds. Okay, for 4 minutes how many, 240 seconds, and 0.5 is there. 0.5 means half minute. For half minutes 30 seconds. So total 270 seconds it is. Got this point? T, the value of T should be in seconds. So in the problem it is mentioned in terms of time period of 4.5 minutes it is. So this 4.5 minutes has to be converted into seconds, that is 270 seconds. Okay. So substitute these values here. So H is the only parameter which is unknown, right? So here you have to make use of your calculators properly. इसको practice करना है. यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो देन द वैल्यू गोज रॉन्ग. अगर प्रोसीजर सब कुछ करेक्ट है तो भी अगर एच का वैल्यू 96.9 नहीं आया तो देन एवरीथिंग गोज रॉन्ग. Okay, so you have to be very much careful while operating the calculator. So it is e raised to s, right? It is exp of means it is e raised to into bracket, e raised to into bracket. So you have to operate the calculators properly. अभी से practice करना शुरू करो, because at the end अभी से करेंगे तो you will be familiar with this exp, e raised to. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you will get the value of H is equal to 96.9 watt per meter square degree Celsius. So this is the convective heat transfer coefficient that is necessary to transfer heat, that is from 200 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius to 165 degrees Celsius after 4.5 minutes. So this is the heat transfer coefficient that is required. Okay. Yes, any doubt here in this problem? ये प्रॉब्लम में क्या तो डाउट है तो यू कैन आस्क मी, पूछ सकते हैं. सो वेरी सिंपल प्रॉब्लम इट इज. The thing is that you should be regular to the class, then only you can understand. Otherwise every time you will hear some new concepts, and it is very difficult for you to understand it. So if you are regular to the class, then it will be easy for you. एक दिन आना 2 दिन छोड़ना बोले तो it is not going to help you. Okay. Okay, now we'll go with another problem. That is next problem we'll go with. Okay, this is again one important problem from your previous question paper again. Also all the problems are from your previous question paper only. So the problem statement is something like this. Okay, we will go with another problem. ये थोड़ा सा lengthy है. We will take it in next class. Okay, so this this is again from your previous question paper. We'll go with this, where the Biot number is less than 0.1. The aluminum plate. So the problem statement is like this: a aluminum plate which is having thermal conductivity K is equal to 160 watt per meter degree Celsius, and the density is equal to 2790 kg per cubic meter, and specific heat of 0.88 kilojoules per kg degree Celsius. Okay. And of thickness L is equal to 3 centimeters, right? The thickness of the plate, aluminum plate, is given, and a uniform temperature of 225 degrees Celsius. It is having a uniform temperature of 225 degrees Celsius. Is suddenly immersed, right? Now it is been immersed. It is suddenly immersed at a time t is equal to 0. So it is suddenly immersed in a well stirred fluid, right? In a fluid which is maintained at a constant temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, so one aluminum plate is there of thickness 3 centimeters, and its initial temperature is 225 degrees Celsius. It is suddenly immersed in a fluid which is having a constant temperature. The temperature of the fluid is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. The heat transfer coefficient between the plate and the fluid is 320 watt per meter square degree Celsius. So the value of H is given here. So here, determine the time required for the center of the plate to reach 50 degrees Celsius. Okay. So here we need to calculate the time required, right? The time required to reach the center of the plate, that is 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो 50 डिग्री रीच होना है, प्लेट का टेम्परेचर 50 डिग्री रीच होना है. तो आफ्टर व्हाट सेकेंड्स और आफ्टर हाउ मेनी seconds the temperature of the plate will be 50 degrees Celsius. So it is been asked. Okay, so we'll go with this. So it is a type plate. So we'll extract the given data. K is given, rho is given, then specific heat is given. So L is the thickness, right? L is the thickness, that is 3 centimeters. So that is 0.03 meters, 0.03 meters. Okay. Then initial temperature is given, 225 degrees Celsius is the initial temperature of the plate. T infinity is the temperature of the fluid into which it is kept, and heat transfer coefficient is 320 degree watt per meter degree square. Just a minute, I am having a call, important call. Just a minute, hold. Hello sir. हाँ बोलिए. Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Okay, these are the certain given data for this problem. So here what it is been asked. So when the temperature is 50 degrees Celsius, right? What is required? Determine the time required. Determine the time required for the center of the plate to reach 50 degrees Celsius. So यहाँ पे capital T का value दिया है. So when the temperature will reach 50 degrees Celsius, right? What is the time required? तो इनिशियल टेम्परेचर तो इसका कितना है 225 डिग्री सेल्सियस है 225 degrees Celsius. So after immersing it into a medium of 25 degrees Celsius. So after what time the temperature of the plate will be 50 degrees Celsius. Okay. So it is been asked here. Okay. Let me clarify it one more time, this part. Right. यहाँ पे देखो. So this is the equation, right? This is the expression for temperature distribution, right? This is the expression. तो यहाँ पे ये जो T है सिर्फ कैपिटल T, this capital T is the temperature at this time instant. Okay, make sure this. So these two are correlated. ये दोनों correlated है. तो यहाँ पे क्या पूछा गया है? So when this T value of T will be 50 degrees Celsius, at that time, after what time this we are going to reach this 50 degrees Celsius. So it has been asked here. So here Ti is the initial temperature, T infinity is the temperature of the fluid, and this is the temperature after time interval T, small t. Okay. So to solve this problem, we'll check, right, whether the Biot number is less than 0.1 or not. First, we'll check that. So for that, first we'll go with the that is characteristic length for plate. It is L by 2. LC is equal to L by 2. So this is equal to 0.03 divided by 2. You'll get 0.015 meters. So this is the characteristic length of for flat plate. Then we'll calculate Biot number. Biot number is equal to HLC divided by K, or HLS divided by K. So L is nothing but the characteristic length, LS or LC. Okay. So H value we know, that is 320 heat transfer coefficient, multiplied by LC, that is 0.015, divided by K is 160. So if you simplify, you will get 0.03. Since Biot number is 0.03, means it is offering negligible internal resistance, right? So as the condition will satisfy here, the Biot number is less than 0.1, right? The condition is satisfied here. So since the Biot number is less than 0.1, then lumped system analysis is applicable or can be used. Okay. Now I am going to write the equation for temperature distribution. This is the equation for temperature distribution. T minus T infinity divided by Ti minus T infinity is equal to e raised to minus HAT divided by rho Vc, or CV rho Vc. So here this A and V I am going to replace it by again 1 by LC, because characteristic length, it is the ratio of volume to the area. Okay, I'm going to replace this A by V. A by V is nothing but 1 by LC. So I have rewritten it. So now I will substitute these values here. Okay, you will get 50 minus 25 divided by 225 minus 25 is equal to e raised to minus 320. H value is 320. So minus as it is into T, because we need to calculate the time to reach 50 degrees Celsius, right? Divided by C value is given, that is specific heat, 0.88 into 10 raised to 3. So as I told you, the specific heat should be always in joules per kg, right? Joules per kg. So 0.88 value is given, as you can see here. For specific heat, Cp is 0.88 kilojoules it is. So it has to be converted into joules per kg degree Celsius. Okay. So that's why multiplied with 1000, 10 raised to 3 into rho is density of the material is given, that is 2790 into characteristic length 0.015. So you can easily calculate the time. So we'll get 240 seconds. So after 240 seconds, the temperature of the plate will be 50 degrees Celsius, right? After 240 degrees Celsius, or you can say 3.98 minutes, 3.98 minutes. Okay, so these are the some of the problems that are related to if the Biot number is less than 0.1, if the Biot number is less than 0.1. So as I told you, there is another case is also there. If the Biot number is greater than 0.1, then you have to follow some other procedure for that. Okay, that we'll discuss in next class. अगले क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे उसको. क्या तो डाउट है इसमें? एनी डाउट यू आर हैविंग?
No, sir.
It is clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
और कुछ see your internal dates have been announced. It's on 31st.
31, sir.
31, 1 and 2. Right? 31, 1 and 2. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday you are having. So all of you please prepare well for your internals. Internals को थोड़ा अच्छे से prepare हो जाओ.
For internals, model 1 only, sir.
For internal first module and second module you are having. For internal first module, no doubt I have posted the link. I posted the first module notes in your WhatsApp group. I also have posted the second module notes also in your group. You go through that part. Okay, and at same time you attend the classes, you will come to know.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? और कुछ doubts है तो पूछ सकते हैं.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, shall I wind up the session?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.